Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings Limited, ticker symbol NCLH. Now this is an index company, as you can see S&P 500 included. And apart from that, this is one of those sectors which has been, in a very bad shape for the last 2.5 years. So looking at this particular stock, what we have here is, this stock has been moving along with the volume. In the last traded month, you have, or in the last 3 months, the average volume was more than 19 million, and the last traded volume was more than 20 million. So even with a bad performance, this sector itself is giving an opportunity. This is not about a particular stock, this is also about a sector, and because this is an index stock, this actually gives you an opportunity, because when things turn around, people will go with those stocks which are included in the indices or which are at the top. Okay, so right now you need not to bother or focus on the profitability, because we know that in the last 2.5 years or 3 years, the entire sector is not making anything. What we have to look here is what we are going to happen in the upcoming years, and that's where the opportunity lies. So let's go and discuss the rest of the things, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, do hit the subscription button and also hit the notification bell along with the all notification button to get the notification of my all upcoming videos. Now apart from that, if you are looking 2001 research report, so since March, April, June, October, everybody is on the buy side, right? Everybody is on the buy side. So this will give us an indication that a slow as well as gradual accumulation has been happening for the last couple of months, and once things expand, it will expand much more than one can expect here right now. So what we're gonna have here, so this is about, can investor trust a cruise line stock? So anyhow, I have explained this query. Right now, let's see. No, we do not have anything apart from there are two insider trading, one in June and September. So I have nothing to talk about over here. Now, we do not have much data or much information right now, and we do not require that, because we know what has happened and we do know what is about to happen. So let's quickly go to the chart and let me explain you what one can expect over here. Now as you can see, and I have already told you that there is a slow and gradual accumulation that's been happening, so you have to be patient enough, if you want to be in this kind of stocks, because this is going to move high, but it will take its own sweet time. Now what one can do for your safety purpose, don't go below $17. Consider this as your stop loss as well as your big support. So don't go below $17 on the downside. This is going to be the level which one need to look at. And if you're looking at the overall chart, okay, if you're looking at the overall chart, so let me explain you the overall chart. It will give you a much better idea about what has happened in the past and what one can probably expect going forward. So if you're looking at the overall chart, so this was your previous trend, right? This was your previous trend that you can see, and the previous trend, so on the higher side you have 61, 64, and on the lower side you have 34 and 29. So the stock has been trading in between this range for the last 6 or 7 years, till this gradual or a big decline happened, and stock went down to as low as $6-7. Then it went up and retested, let me tell you, retested this previous support, which now acting as a big resistance in between 29 and 34, and again started falling down. Right now the low that it has made is $17. So there is an accumulation that's been going on. there will be both buying and selling until and unless entire selling has absorbed. It will definitely take couple of weeks to months. Once it has done, and if it does not fall below $17, you have your next target, which is in between 29 and 34 or 35. And let's say if the stock started moving above $35, what we have here is your next big target. Okay, because after 35, so after 35 you have your trend open till 61 and 64, which was your previous high in the past. So this is what we have here as far as the big trend is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.